Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Lambodhar Wagmare, currently pursuing robotics and automation engineering in Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Under the project-based learning, we created a simple model of conveyor belt that used in thermal power plant. My project partners are Sakshi Kushal and Sahil Yadav. We create this model under the guidance of Professor Bombay sir. Nowadays, we all stand up at the cusp of the industrial revolution that is all based on the automation and robotics. The automation systems like assembly automation, IoT, that is Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual and augmented reality, that's all make the manufacturing process fast and reliable. The one part of automation that is conveyor belt that we discuss now. Conveyor system are the mechanical device or assembly that transport material with minimum effort. Conveyor belt are durable and reliable to use in transportation transportation and distribution. There are many applications of conveyor belt, but we discuss conveyor belt at using thermal power plant. Thermal power plant means the plant that convert heat energy to the electric from the source such as steam and fossil fuels. Thermal power plant rely on the conveyor transfer system to transfer the fossil fuels. Now there are many types of conveyor belts, but we discuss the types of conveyor belt using thermal power plant. Let's check it. Now we move to the types of conveyor belt that used in thermal power plants. First one is belt conveyor. Belt conveyor helps in the transportation of large volume of coal over the long distance. The constructed with a endless rubber running over pulleys with roller at regular interval for support. The belt conveyor carries load on an inclination of up to 20 degrees to the horizon and carries between 50 to 100 tons per hour. This is our project model of simple conveyor belt. This consists of components: 12-volt DC motor, flat belt, solar battery, 9-volt solar battery, cardboard, small PVC pipe, switch. Then how our project works? We use these two cylindrical PVC pipe which act as pulley. We connect these end of cylindrical pipe at DC motor. Then this is 9-volt solar battery which can supply voltage to DC motor. These two cylindrical pipe are warped with endless loop of rubber belt. This will act as conveyor belt. For support of all components, we use that all piece of cardboards. When we start applying voltage to DC motor, it start the rotating, and while motor connected to end pulley, it starting to rotate, and cause of this rubber belt also rotate. This is simple mechanism of our conveyor belt project. And we are very thankful to Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, for giving this opportunity in project-based learning and funding for our project. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.